Hello, LeeAnn. Okay, so you struggle with this a quadratic equation. I'm assuming it's because of the fraction. All right, so let's go over it and see how, if I can demonstrate to you how to do it. Okay, all right, so every time you see fraction, the first thing you want to do is to find the LCD and to multiply all the terms by that LCD, right? We want to clear out the fraction. And if you look at 6 here and 3, right, the LCD is just 6. Okay? All right, so that means that everything, all the term, have to be multiplied by 6. So I'm going to have 6 times. So I'm going to 6 times 1 over 6 c squared plus 6 times 2/3 c minus 6 times 2, and then equal to 6 times 0. Okay? Now the next step will be to clear out the fraction, right? To clear out the fraction is whatever you multiply the LCD that you choose with all the denominators. So 6 divided by 6, 1. 6 divided by 3, you're left with 2. And then here there's no fraction, so we go to the next step and simplify what we have. So we have 1 times c squared, just c squared, plus we have 2 here, we have 2, we multiply them, we have 4, so it's 4c, so 4c, minus 6 times 2, 12, and put 12 here, equal to 6 times 0, 0. Nothing changes there. All right. So here we're going to assume this is a quadratic. This is not an assumption. It is a quadratic function equation, and we can either do it by the quadratic formula or by factoring. Okay, so by factoring, we see that we have. Let's see if it works. C and C for the first term. Factors of 12 with the sum is equal to positive 4. So I'm going to say 6 and 2. So plus 6 minus 2. Plus 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. And positive 6 minus 2 is positive 4. Great combination. All right, so now we set everything to 0. Those two factors are going to be set to 0. So we get C is equal to negative 6. Or C, that's not what I did. I should have done C plus 6 equal to 0 and C minus 2 equal to 0, which means that C is equal to negative 6 or C is equal to 2. So that's it. This is how you find your solution to this equation. Okay? All right. Hopefully that was helpful.